What's up everyone and welcome to another beautiful home in Alanya, Turkey. Phenomenal views with a gorgeous modern design for only 900,000 euros. A beautiful 3-story home, 5 bedrooms, 5 washrooms, 4 showers, and 315 square meters of interior space. So let's get started. Wait till you see the inside of this beautiful home. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Would you take a look at all the details? Custom marble flooring, beautifully fully furnished, 315 square meters of interior space, 5 bedrooms, 5 washrooms, 4 showers, custom marble table. Look at all the details, just gorgeous. And an access to your backyard with the private pool and phenomenal views. All right, Mehmet, are you done showing around? Let's make our way to the second floor now. All right, so making our way upstairs, we got these pretty cool lights on the left, a beautiful frame right over here, custom made. And then on the left, we have a bonus room, which you can make it into a private lounge, a TV room, etc. And then making our way this way, we got one of the bedrooms on the left. Very chic, very modern, beautiful, nicely sized. All right, so on our right side, we have the washroom. Making my way to the second bedroom, custom made with its personal washroom as well, and a terrace. And if you take a look at the wall, it's really cool. And now we'll make our way to the third floor. Follow me. Got some pretty cool frames on the left, custom built-in mirrors. All right, so now we're on the third floor. On my left over here, we have another washroom, shower, and a sauna. And then making my way to another bedroom, which offers 2 small single beds, perfect for children. And my favorite bedroom, why? Because of the phenomenal view it has to offer. Let's enjoy this beautiful view together. All right, everyone, that's it for today's tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. One more thing before I leave, 900,000 euro for this phenomenal home. Don't miss out this opportunity. Contact us now for more detailed information. See you guys next time.